Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we all doing today? Hey, why is it like that? Look. Hold on, guys. Hold on. What the heck? Good morning, everyone. Hold on. I'm trying to fix this damn screen. Ah, there we are. Sorry about that. Is it working now? Alright, I think we're good. Alright, my bad. Hey, good morning. What's up, XAU? What's up, Eric? What's up, Josh? Good morning, everyone. Let's go, Tommy. Damn, Tommy, you killing it, brother. Let's go, y'all. Love to hear that, man. Yeah, take the Friday off. Have a nice 3-day weekend, Tommy. $4 payout. Lock it in. What's up, Josh? What's up, Beyond Limits? What's up, Anas? What's up, Damien? Yeah. Let's go, Eric. Great job, man. Good morning, Robert. Good morning, everyone. What's up, AKM? What's up, Zach? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, guys, we got some nice payouts on these accounts. We got $696 after the fees on Tuesday, and then yesterday we made $1,066 after the fees. So that's $696. So $1,762 after the fees, not bad. Plus $36.52. So we're at $5,414 on the year on payouts. So not bad. Good start. Good start. Eric, order filled. I love that sound. Order filled. Gotta make like a compilation of that, of like order filled sounds. That'd be sick. But yeah, guys, we had a big sell-offs yesterday, I think, and then today we had another big sell-off. Then it made a range right here, and then this was like a 120-point candle or something. 140-point candle. This is a 140-point candle, and it looked like it was trying to break out the range, and now it's kind of forming a range up here. So we'll see. Farah, I want to get some more payouts with these accounts first. That's why I'm trading micros at the moment, and yeah, keep them live longer. I do eventually want to build a buffer. Just want to get some more payouts first, because it's already guaranteed locked in, right? So we'll see. But the thing is, Farah, if you consistently do good and they like that, they'll just put you in a live account. So I don't know. We'll see. What's up, Just Saying Right? Good morning, man. Good morning, everyone. New 5-minute right here. Good morning, Twain. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, Tommy, that's the plan. Treat it like a business. Yeah, get some payouts coming in, cover the expenses, get some profit, and then, yeah, you can scale from there. See, my plan is to consistently trade these TakeProfitTrader Pro accounts and then keep taking daily withdrawals. Like, yeah, like yesterday made $1,000. Like, I'm done. You know, that's an extra $1,000 to work with. That's 10 50K challenges, you know, you could buy with that. So, it adds up. Yeah, Farah, they are very precious. That's why when I keep these alive, that's why I've been taking it slow and just trading micros, because, like, I really want to keep these alive and going. Yep. Yeah, like literally I trade these on the fund account. You know, if I make a profit, get a payout, then I can work on challenges or other funded accounts. Like, this is already locked in, you know? Like, hey, I made $200 each. After the fee, that's $800, you know? So the leverage with the 5 accounts is pretty nice. And I get the payouts in the next morning, so it's like, it's even better. Coming back up here. Yep, Zach, the daily payouts really help. I love those daily paychecks. Guys, these are literally like 5 little ATMs. 5 ATMs right here. You make a profit, you can literally withdraw it in your bank the next morning. It's fucking sick. Like, yeah, I made over the buffer on Tuesday over that 100-point trade. $700 in the bank. And then now we got almost 1,100 yesterday. And if we make a profit today, knock on wood, hey, that's another withdrawal. That's another ATM. 5 ATMs right here. Yeah, Rambo. Honestly, don't. It's so expensive. Yeah, especially for the 150K, $1,500 is freaking crazy. It's not worth it, honestly, in my opinion. You could literally get 7.5 150K challenges for that one account. Think about it. You could just take it slow for a week and then just try and pass them again. But honestly, yeah, $1,500 is way too expensive. Even the 50Ks, it's cost $650 to reset them, which is so high. So, in my opinion, Rambo, nah. I'd rather just go through the challenge phase again, honestly. I used to in 2024. I used to reset them. But then I realized real quick, like, dude, this shit is expensive. 5 accounts is $3,250 to reset. That is ridiculous. Tony, yeah, these are 550K accounts. Twain, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Small numbers add up. $800, that's really good money. Aiden, hey, Dennis? SpongeBob. You could, it's possible, but it's really hard. I'll be honest, it's extremely hard. It's very nice to have other incomes coming in. That's what I'm saying, guys. If you have like a job, 9 to 5, that is completely fine. That's great. You want a job while you're trading because that's money coming in, and it gives you time off the charts, clear your mind, work, get some money. It's guaranteed income as long as you work, and there's nothing wrong with a 9 to 5, guys. Honestly, or a side hustle. Have a side hustle. Just have like extra income coming in, because when you're strictly just relying on trading, yeah, it's possible. It's just, I'll be honest, it's really hard. Tony, anything above $2,000 on the 50K Pro account. So if I make a profit today, anything above 2,000, I can withdraw. Yeah, Rambo, $1,500 is freaking crazy. Just my opinion, but yeah. Yeah, work on the MyFundedFutures funded, and then work on evals too. You can get like a set of 5 evals with TakeProfitTrader, honestly. You can get 7.5, yeah, eval, 150Ks for that price. For one reset, which is, nah, it's crazy. $1,500 is way too expensive. Yeah, Zach, be debt free and then have like a bunch of living, like 6 months of living expenses at least. And make good, consistent, really bringing money in. So you know it works. Farah, yeah, it's very hard. Yeah, there's like crazy stats, like what, like less than 5% actually pass an evaluation, and then like less than 1% actually get a payout. I think, which is absurd stats. So out of every 100 people, around 5 will pass the challenge, and then less than 1 person will get a payout. crazy. Hey, good morning, PTG. Yeah, hopefully they don't, man. But good job on getting that payout secured, man. Just lock it in, request it, and then, yeah, you should be good if you didn't break any of the rules. And then, yeah, at the moment, but, like, I had other income when I first started. Like, I had a shoe business I was doing in 2024, and then I was doing that for, like, 3-4 years, and then I got a lot of payouts in 2024, so I had, like, a big cushion. But then 2025, I lost a lot of the cushion. And then here we are, 2026, documenting the journey. We're trying to make a comeback. Yeah, PTG, yeah, that's what I really like about TakeProfitTrader with those bigger accounts. They're literally for the reset. You know, you obviously don't want to pay for a reset, but like $100 reset for a 150K account is really good. All the other firms are only like an extra 10% or something for a reset, 5-10%. But yeah, TakeProfitTrader is the best for the resets on the challenges. Just $100 flat for any account size. Hey, good morning, champion. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Carbo Knight? Good morning, man. Turtle soup for the win. We're eating good. Yeah, Carbo, if you're down on the day and then you got to break even, that's a win, man. Lock it in. Farah, yeah, it's kind of weird. A lot of them, yeah, folded. They must have been like really bad or something with their management or something. I don't know. About it really depends on your preference. You're gonna be a lot cheaper with the 25K with TakeProfitTrader because people think, oh, at Apex, $19 for the 90% off sale is great, but then you're paying a $75 activation fee per account, so your minimum spending like $95, and then you gotta deal with the rules. So in my opinion, I'd probably go with TakeProfitTrader. Just my opinion. You could take daily payouts, locked in. How much is it? Let me see how much a TakeProfitTrader 25K account is. The 50K is like $102 after the discount. You can get the TakeProfitTrader 25K account for $90. It's not bad. Yeah, $90 after the discount. Zach, yeah, that's good. But Zach, also don't be like forcing on that number, because that's what I used to do. Is like, oh, I gotta make $600 today, or I'm not happy, right? You just take what the market gives you, Zach, and then it's like, hey, even if you made $300, you know, after the fees, that's still $240 in your pocket. You know, take whatever the market gives you. Some days you'll be more than 600, some days you'll be less than 600, some days you'll lose, but you just take what the market gives you. I notice when I focus on the number, it always wrecked me, because I'm like, oh, I gotta make $1,000 today, or otherwise I'm not happy. And you focus on the P&L, you break your rules. All right, we got a new 5-minute right here. PTG, nice. 550K, 150K pros, that's pretty good. Yeah, guys, there's nothing wrong with the 150Ks either. They're nice. Depends if you like to trade a bigger size or you want a bigger drawdown. Just for TakeProfitTrader, I like the 50Ks. They're pretty nice. Nice, Zach. 25K account, nice. Garv. Hey, Garv got a Ferrari today. Congratulations, man. Yeah, that turtle soup strat really pays, man. Congratulations. Thanks for buying my course, man. Yeah, Tommy, there's nothing wrong with Top Step. They pay out. They're still legit. Depends on your personal preference. Yep, Zach. Yeah, the activation is free for TakeProfitTrader. It's nice. 40% off, no activation fee. What's up, Perp? Good morning, man. Good job, Steve. Great job, man. Yep. Abo, are you blowing it on one day? Because I know the trailing drawdown is sucks, but are you like blowing it on one day or multiple days, or what are you struggling with? Hey, thank you, Rambo. It really means a lot, man. Yeah, I'm just being honest. Like $1,500 is absurdly high for a reset on a 150K account. That's like so high. You could literally get like 7.5 challenges for that price. So I'm like, I'd rather just take it slow for a week and get them funded and go through the challenge phase. And you could save some money too. Yeah, Carbonite. I used to trade a P&L a lot last year and it literally wrecked me. No bueno. I cannot trade P&L anymore. No problem, Zach. Garv, not at the moment. I can buy accounts with them. People think I'm banned with TopSep. I am not banned. I can buy accounts with them. I got accounts last month with it, 50Ks, but then I freaking lost them. Yeah, Fire, it depends on you. You just gotta deal with all the rules in Apex, but other than that, yeah. Internet! What up? Great job, man. 25 is great. Good job, Internet. Dude, that's actually really good, Internet, after, like, what, 750 people joined or something. Tony, you can withdraw anything above 2,000 on the TakeProfitTrader, but there's a $50 fee if you want to withdraw to your bank if it's under $250 in your wallet. So I just wait until it's over $250 in my wallet, and then you can withdraw it, and it's no fee. Pretty nice. Yeah, Zach, it's $650 for a reset on these accounts. Guys, $650 reset to a pro account. Yeah, you can get back in the game, but it's like $650 per account. That's a lot. I'd rather get like, you can get 6.5 50K challenges for that price. So you can get a whole new set of 5 for cheaper. 903 is crazy. Farah, yeah, actually, I didn't think about the resets. Yeah, you're right, actually, Farah. Yeah, that 1,500 is crazy price. I looked at that the first time. I was like, hell no, I'm not resetting that. $1,500, my ass. I am not paying $1,500. Yeah, I guess it's nice to have that option, but it's like, come on, who's paying $1,500 for a reset? If the reset for the 150K account was like 600, like the 50K price, yeah, and then like the 50Ks were like 300, yeah. No problem, Tony. Bo, I felt on top of the world. It felt great. It was an amazing feeling. It was awesome. All right, price is kind of moving back up here, so it looked like it was kind of trying to come back to the downside, but it looks like it's coming back up. Internet, yeah. Yeah, you guys gotta go in the penalty box if you blow your funded accounts. Because also they're kind of preying on your emotion, because when you blow your account, what are you doing? You're frustrated, you're annoyed, you're pissed off, you're tilted. Oh, let me just pay the $650 fee to reset it, and then I can trade it again. And then you're emotionally trading with a trailing drawdown account. You just lost your funded account. You just dropped $650 to reset it. Now you're pissed. and now you're trying to like, oh, now I gotta get $650 profit above the buffer to get my money back, and then it's like you're going all over the place. It's not worth it. So yeah, I always go back to the challenges if I blow them now. It's way too expensive. Price is moving back up here. Ah, 7 times, Kenji. Fuck. Yeah, they add up really.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go for a long right here. Go for a breakout long. Continuation up. Looks like it was forming a range. It formed a bottom range right here, then yeeted up. Then it formed a range right here, and then yeeted up right here. So I'm looking for catch this momentum to the upside. I mean, there's a nice gap to the upside. And we're in the 24,000s now, guys. We're in the 24,000s. Remember, we were in the 26,000 area, upper 25,000. So I don't know. We had a massive sell-off the last few days. I think silver dropped like 12% last night, like 12, 13%. It was freaking crazy. I was like, what the heck's going on? Yeah, a lot of sell-offs. What's up, Paint or Die? What's up, man? Yeah, I like that, Zach. I like that idea. Yeah, the 25K accounts are nice. You can withdraw anything above $1,500, and it's like a 1-to-1 drawdown profit ratio, which is nice. Where the 50K, you have to make 2,000, you have to make 3,000, and you only have 2,000 to work with. Or I would like to see momentum kick in like right now. I don't like this stalling behavior. On a breakout, I do not like it when it stalls, obviously. I want it to like just quickly go in my favor. 10 points. Yeah, it dropped a lot. Silver dropped so much last night in the Asia sesh. Come back down here. Do not like that.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. All good. Lost right there. We're looking for a breakout to the upside. Just it kind of hesitated a lot right there, so we do not want it to hesitate. So had to stop right there. Yeah, it dropped like crazy. I literally looked on Robinhood and I was like, what's going on? What's going on with silver? Silver, yeah. Yeah, it's down 12.5% on the day. That's crazy. Super volatile. Xavier, yeah, it's a good deal. Tradeify's a good firm. Their select accounts are pretty nice. The only thing is there's payout caps on the daily payout option, Xavier, but other than that, they're good. Still a great firm. I mean, $1,000 per payout request cap is still good. Yeah, and you gotta make $2,500 in the eval, so you save yourself $500. It's nice. We might be right, just at the wrong timing. Bearish. Yeah, a lot of people said that they've been kind of struggling today. But good thing you got out a drawdown. Hey, a little green is better than a red. Well, it looks like it wants to... It's too much stalling right here. We have news 7 a.m. tomorrow. Has not been easy today. Yeah, that's what a lot of people have been saying. We had a big sell-off and then made a range right here. This is literally a 140 point candle, guys. Almost 150 points, 140. Very interesting. There's a lot of fight right here. This 24,850 area. Trader Bob, yeah, it'd be like that, man. That was literally me last week. That's the thing with trading, man. You never know. $2. Hey, $2 is $2, man. Great job, L7. Let's go. Great job, man. Thanks for tuning in like always, brother. Ollie, yeah. Yeah, this week's been a hit or miss for people. Especially today. L7, yeah, you can't dwell on it. Yeah, great job. You just learn from it and move on. You guys can't just be like crying and be like, oh no, my funded account, no. What am I gonna do? Oh, do I switch strategies? Blah, blah. If you did it before, you can do it again, guys. You can't just cry about it. You just gotta learn from it and move on. You can't let it affect you. Then you're letting the enemy win. You're your own biggest enemy, guys. Think about it. You're literally your own biggest enemy. What's up, Amit? What's up, man? I want to see if it's just wants to come back down here, or it looks like it wants to break out, but it looks like it wants to come back down to the range. And I mean, this is a big move. 813, that's like 80, 90 points. That's what I'm saying, internet. Yeah, it's not the end of the world, guys, if you lose accounts. Yeah, it sucks. It's annoying, but you can't dwell on it. You can't let it affect you. Alright, let's see where this 5 minute wants to close. We got it in 13 seconds. Very interesting. Great job, Meeks. Nice. Let's go. Pain or die? I usually wake up around... I'm on the West Coast, so I usually wake up around market open. And I'm pretty tired. And it moves pretty quick. So I don't think that's a good combination. So that's why I kind of like it at this time. Because I'm more awake and... You can still catch good moves, and it kind of slows down a little bit. So it's still pretty good. I like it. SK1, yeah. It sucks, man, but hey, at least you got a funded account now, 150K. You can work with that. You can't, like I said, you can't dwell on the, oh, you lost the other account. It'll just drag you down and drag you. It's like a parasite. You just gotta get rid of the parasite. As long as that parasite's with you, it's gonna keep dragging you down. So you can't just be like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I lost that 50K. Oh no. You just focus on the 150K and then just keep on rolling, man. Like nothing happened. Very interesting right here. It looked like it was trying to go to the downside, but it still might. It's just making a pullback, but I was looking for a breakout to the upside, but now it's kind of acting funny. Meeks, yeah, we had great shorts earlier. Great shorts. Akash, like I said, man, you can't let it affect you. It sucks. You just gotta live from it and move on. Just learn, deep dive what you did wrong, what you can work on, and improve on that. Just improve on that, literally. You can't just be like crying about it and oh my gosh, I lost my funded account, guys. Oh, blah blah. Woe is me, boo hoo. It's like, who cares? Get back up, get on your feet, and keep moving forward, man. Who cares? If you did it before, you can do it again. I love that mindset too. And if I could do it, so could you, you know? So you just can't let it affect you guys. Really. SK1, yeah. You gotta look on the brighter side as well. I mean, you got a 150K account now, so that's pretty good, man. Just focus on that. Huh. Prop trader, exactly, yeah. And I was like, well, it is what it is. Sucks, but yeah, obviously you don't want to blow up on an account, but then you can't just be like, oh my god, blah, blah, blah. You just like laugh it off. You're okay. You're still alive. You're still good. There's always another day. You can trade again tomorrow. You can start brand new, refresh, refocused, and that's it. Yeah, Trader Bob, they got rid of metals. Apex got rid of metals, I think, yesterday, and then TopStep got rid of it the day before. Crazy. What's up, FL? What's up? Good morning, man. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, SK1, you can trade 1 or 2 minis on 150K. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, if you're trading 1 or 2 minis on the 50K, you can kind of do it with 1 mini, but 2 minis, if you go on a little losing streak, you're gonna blow it so quick with 2 minis. $2,000 drawdown, especially with trailing. Oh man, it's gonna go by so quick. Yeah, TopStep and Apex, they got. I don't think you can trade metals. Well, I think TopStep. I'm not sure if you could trade a micro version. I think they got rid of the mini version. I think, but I know they restricted it for a lot of. Like they sent out an email 2 days ago, and then Apex did it yesterday. They're like, these traders are making too much damn money. Shit. Yeah, Zach, I think they got rid of it yesterday. You can't trade it anymore for now. I don't know if it's like back or not. But they sent out an email yesterday, I think. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Nah. Yeah, Tommy, I think you can trade it, right? Only micros. Okay, you can trade metals on TopStep, but only micros, guys. You can't trade like minis. Yeah, I think Apex got rid of it. Like, you can't trade that at all. Yeah, that is true, internet. It's way too volatile, and the margin is... The volatility is just crazy right now. I mean, it literally dropped 12-13% silver last night. Like nothing. That's massive. And then we saw like a 30% drop on Friday last week. Was it Friday? Thursday. Thursday or Friday? Somewhere. Crazy volatility. We had a massive sell-offs with a lot of things. Damn, Bitcoin 67,000? Wait, that's actually a massive sell-off. Dude, it's down 29% in the last month. That's pretty... That's a lot. That's a lot. Yeah, I don't mess with crypto. Yeah, I don't bother with that, but Bitcoin at 67. Yeah, I can see it going lower, guys. Yeah, because it's a cycle. 40K is crazy. Hey, would you guys buy some partial shares at 40K? I mean, what were the highs on Bitcoin? Like 120, 130? Yeah, 120 in October. Damn. Wait, that's actually a lot, bro. Ace K1, yeah, we had some crazy volatility and stuff last year with the tariffs and everything. And then, yeah, we have interesting markets so far this year. Hey, thank you, Jasmine. Thank you. It means a lot. Thank you. Yeah, you can have a nice 4-day weekend, Jasmine. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's nice. Kind of did like a fake out right there. I was looking for a short, but then I don't like that wick, so I didn't take the short. And then it looks like it was just a fake out. Alright, new 5 minute and 10 seconds. New 5 minute. Good morning, Brian. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Nice, beyond limits. Lock it in, man. A lot of people said they've been struggling today too, so yeah, if you're up today beyond limits, lock it in, man. 350 is nice. Joey, this is my job, so yeah, I'm working from home. My bed's right there. Alright, guys, we took one trade, down 25 points, 250, nothing crazy. We'll see what market wants to do. Gotta be patient. Damn cat hair. I was looking for a short, but then it's staircasing up and then slowly breaking up, but then it makes a big pullback, so just being cautious. Cause this move up, yeah, this short was kind of overextended, but then this move up is kind of getting overextended. It's over 350 points from the low. Joey, yeah, one day at a time, man. One day at a time. Prop trader, yeah. Single member LLC. Hey, good afternoon, Disciplined Futures Trader. Thanks for joining in. Joey, around 400 for sure is like, I try to be like absolute, like no mas. 3 to 400. But we were moving a little quick, so I probably should have sized down on that last trade, the first trade. Guys, look at that. Look at the short right there. It like makes a new level up, staircasing up, then just dumps a little bit. Great job, Garv. Great job, man. Yeah, Carbo, there is a big pullbacks. Like, I mean, this little pullback right here is almost 40. This is 40 points right here. From right here to here is 40 points. It's a lot. Damn, shorts are fucking paying, bro. That's wild. Yeah. What the heck? Guys, I was looking for a short, but then I didn't like the staircasing up. And it just yeeted down. I just gotta trust my gut. I gotta trust my gut, guys. Alright, new 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Yeah, Pro Trader, it's pretty moving kind of quick today. Yesterday was moving pretty quick. Discipline, yeah. One micro at a time. Well, look at this pop up right here. Yeah, like you can make good money with micros. Like 3 to 5 micros. Yeah, people are getting a lot of good payouts with the micros. That's why I'm like kind of opening my eyes. I'm like, I could trade micros too. It's a lot less stressful too compared to one mini. And I like the micros because you could trim too. Like 10 micros for one mini. One mini, you gotta get in or out. full out for it, full exit. Micros, you can scale out, you can scale in. It's pretty nice. Hey, what up, wise guy? Great job, man. Wise guy, stack a winning play and get a payout. Let's go. That's the plan. That's really the plan. Yup. Yeah, prop trader, just being a little more cautious. You can still take another trade, just waiting for a good setup. Yeah, guys, sometimes when I'm in a banger play, sometimes I'll scale in too. It's nice. I only scale in if I'm expecting like a really big move in my favor. But yeah, you could scale in with micros. I mean, just if you get stopped out at break even, yeah, it's annoying, but it's like, think about it. It's better than a loss. Like, it's risk free. As long as it's not a trailing drawdown account, if you get stopped out at break even, I mean, just break even, no loss, no harm, no foul. It sucks. It is what it is. But you manage your risk well, so that's all that matters. I get stopped out at break even. When I'm up in the trade and I put it to break even, yeah, sometimes I'll come down and smack my entry. It's like, sucks. It's annoying, but I mean, it's better than taking a full size stop loss, you know. Yeah, it's free trade. Yeah, it's literally a free trade. If you put your stop loss to break even on an end of day account, literally free, risk free. I like that, risk free. Because like even if you get stopped out, you break even. So yeah, it gets tilting. Yeah, and when you're up a lot on a trade and then it goes to break even, that gets a little tilting. But like if you're up 20-30 points and it comes down to break even, yeah, it sucks, it's annoying. But like if you're up like 50 plus points, you should not let it hit break even. But I mean, that's the nice thing with micros, you could trim. So if you're up 30-40 points, hell, even like 20 points, 10, you could trim. Yeah, it's risk free, guys. It's a free trade once it's moved to break even. I like that. That's why I like doing that. Like most of my trades, like literally like my losses, like I get out at a small loss, like at the market, or it just hits my stop loss. But on my winning trades, I'll trail it to my stop loss to break even. I'll trim. I will trail my stop loss in profit, like guaranteed 20 points, you know? Stuff like that. Wise guy, if you're up 3,500 on a 50K, you can request $1,500. Anything above $2,000, you can request end of day daily. And so $1,500 times 0.2, you're getting $1,200 with the payout. So wise guy, great job, man. You got a $1,200 payout locked in, man. Lock it in. Yeah, guys, when you have a trailing drawdown account, like these are not trailing anymore, so it's nice. I can put my stop loss to break even. When you have a trailing drawdown account, Apex, TakeProfitTrader, whatever firm you're with a trailing drawdown account, and you have your stop loss at break even and it's trailing, it is not a risk-free trade. It can work against you. So keep that in mind. Just be cautious about that, guys. We do have a new hour candle in 4 minutes, so we'll see. What's up, M5? How you doing, man? We took one trade today, guys. 25 point stop loss. Market moving pretty quick today, so all good. But we already got those payouts from yesterday and Tuesday, and we can still take another trade, guys. We only took one trade today. Pain or die, yeah, it's annoying. It's literally designed to make you fail, honestly. It sucks. I hate trailing drawdown. But that's the nice thing, though. Once you hit the buffer, it stops. And then it's like these. They're static end of day, so I just can't let it hit 0. And it updates end of day. And then, yeah, it could take daily withdrawals. So that's the very hard part, is dealing with that stuff. Thank you, Zach. Thank you. Yeah, I've kept these accounts since the beginning of the year, knock on wood. I would like to keep these accounts for a very long time. I don't know how long. Well, we can't decide the future. We can't predict it. All we have to do is manage our risk. And I think, yeah, we managed our risk pretty well. Like, we went on a losing streak and we were trading 1 mini, and we switched to 5 micros, and we've just been trading that ever since. And we got some payouts again, and we saved the accounts. M5 kind of at the moment, yeah. But we had some good moves earlier, but right now it's kind of just forming a range, kind of up and down range. Yeah. Yeah, but like people like, yeah, they like, oh, trailing drawdown sucks, blah 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 blah. Is like, you're not forced to trade with him. Like, you guys, there's plenty of prop firms with end of day drawdown accounts. Like, a lot of the prop firms like TopStep, Tradeify, MyFundedFutures, Lucid, for example, they're all end of day, most of their accounts. So it's like, you have the option. You don't have to trade trailing drawdown accounts, guys. There's plenty of other prop firms with end of day. And if you're a beginner, I would highly not recommend trailing drawdown accounts. It just can make it so much more stressful and headache. That's why I only recommend, guys, trailing drawdown accounts if you're like more advanced or used to it. But like, guys, there's plenty of end of day drawdown accounts and firms. Coming back down here, looks like it's reversing back down. Discipline, no. Once you hit the buffer, so 52,000 on these accounts, it stops. I just can't let it hit 0, which is nice. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So now I just can't, the trailing drawdown stops on these, and I just can't let it hit 0. Ghost. I started these on the challenges. If you want to watch my my first week of the live streams, the blue thumbnail, we worked on these on the challenges. Brand new. Every single trade from the challenge to the funded where they are now. Every single trade to the payouts. It's all on the streams. I will trade challenges, Ghost, if I'm done trading these for the day. But these are my dedicated stream accounts, Ghost. So whatever happens on these accounts will be all on stream. And then if I'm done early, then I can work on other accounts like challenges. Eddie, yeah, it's annoying, but I mean, yeah, but with those firms, once you hit the buffer, it stops trailing, so it's nice. But yeah, Eddie, there's a lot of other firms. All right, we got a new hour candle in 5 seconds. Yeah, guys, there's still a lot of end of day drawdown accounts. You don't have to trade a trailing drawdown account, guys. Pure, I'm not sure, but if I were to guess, it'd probably be after the... I don't know, actually. I haven't traded with him in a while. Tommy, yeah. TopStep, Tradeify, Lucid, MyFundedFutures, Flex, and Pro account. The Rapid is trailing. So yeah, guys, there's a lot of options out there for y'all. Yeah, Eddie, yeah, you can manage it with micros, trailing drawdowns. Nice. Yeah, Lucid's in the day drawdown, which is nice. I like that. Yeah, end of day is nice, man. I like end of day. The static accounts are just really expensive, and you don't have a lot to work with, and yeah, it's just kind of a headache. And there's less payout. There's payout caps usually, so I just avoid the static accounts. I always go end of day. I like end of day or I obviously don't like trailing, but if I'm trading with that firm, I just gotta get used to it. But yeah, end of day is nice. Cause guys, if you profit on the day, like let's say you made $500 in your first day with the end of day drawdown account on a 50K, for example, you have $2,500 to work with on the day. So in essence, you could risk your profits on the next trade if you're trying to get it done quicker, if that makes sense. Not financial advice, by the way. Just my thoughts and what I do sometimes. Well, we got a big green candle coming in right here. I want to see how it reacts to this 24,880 area right here. It rejected off there and then just dumped, like, literally dumped over 100 points. Yeah, Apex got rid of metals yesterday. You can't trade metals on Apex at the moment. I don't know if they'll bring it back. Yeah. Yeah, personal account. Yeah, that's the end goal. Ghost, I'm just focusing on myself, man. I'm not really in a competition with anyone else, honestly. Just trying to grow the channel, trying to grow the live streams, trying to get better one day at a time. I really don't need to challenge anyone else, really. I'm only in competition with myself. Yeah, it might be a cool little challenge in the future, maybe, but at the moment, I'm just focusing on me. Roar. MyFundedFutures is pretty good. The flex accounts, they're good for a beginner. 50% drawdown. 50% consistency in the challenge. End of day. You gotta make a $3,000 profit target. Stuff like that. They're pretty good. Tradeify is good. There's a 40% in the select accounts. I prefer a select account if you're gonna go with them. Just my preference. Yeah, probably rules. Roar. Yeah, probably like, yeah, MyFundedFutures. Pretty solid. Thank you, Ghost. Thank you. Thank you. Yep, we're in a competition with ourselves, y'all. Yeah, some YouTuber a while ago messaged me. He's like, "Hey, let's do a challenge. We're gonna do a challenge. We start with like a 50K account. Whoever has the highest gets the profit from the other guy. You down, bro?" And I'm like, dude, like, no, that sounds so stupid. I'm like, why the fuck would I do that? So stupid. Why? I'm literally in a competition with myself. Why do I need to compete with some random dude on YouTube that I don't even know? It's like, for what? I don't get it. I'd rather just make the profits on 50K accounts and then take the whole payout myself. Shit, you know? Yeah, Garv, we got turtle soup incoming right here. There you go, Zach. I like that goal. Yeah, get debt free. Yeah, debt sucks. Yeah, try and get out of that as soon as possible. All that high interest crap, get out of it. And then that's a great challenge, man. Honestly. And see that you're working on yourself. That's what matters. You're in competition with yourself. You're trying to improve on yourself. It's like, why do I need to go like, hey, let me try to get out of debt faster than John over there? You know what I'm saying? It's like, why? It's like, who cares? You just focus on improving yourself one day at a time. What's up, Michael? Doing good, man. Doing good. How are you? Good morning, everyone. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. I'm like, he's like, the winner will take all the profits. I'm like, that sounds so fucking stupid. I'm like, no thanks. I'm like, I'm good, bro. Thanks. Yeah, internet. See, that'd be sick if I were to go to Florida, fly to Florida, and then trade on the BDH stream, and then like the winner gets 25 grand that I don't have to put up. Shit, I wouldn't mind that. Hey, it's a business expense, guys. That plane ticket and everything, business expense. I'm flying to Florida for a competition, trading. Business expense. Hotels, business expense. Hey, the IRS is like, yeah, right. Yeah, Carl, we gotta get some soup tonight. Tom, it depends on your goals and your personal preference. Um, there's nothing wrong with both, honestly. If you're a guy that blows accounts really quick, I highly recommend the daily payout option because you can lock in a payout and it's guaranteed end of day. If you're a guy that wants like a bigger payouts and you're consistently doing good with fundeds, the 5 day is nice. You get bigger payouts, and it's pretty nice. It's up to you. Yeah, Zach. Yeah, 1 day at a time as a community. That's why we're doing this. Yeah, that's straight. Shit, he played for the plane tickets and the hotel. Shit, if he contacted me, he's like, hey, you guys want to do a live challenge or something? I'll pay for the expenses. I'm like, say less. I'm going to Florida, bro. That'd be sick. Disciplined future trader. Yeah, sometimes I will. Um, but most of the time, I'm pretty much done. If I do work on stuff, I'm usually editing videos after the stream and going to the gym and stuff. But if I do see a setup, like I have my chart open, like on challenges or whatever, and I do see a setup, I'll take it. Oh yeah, I don't know the whole story with that, but yeah, I remember like yeah, that one girl got like she had like a freak out or something. I don't know. And I think Terry won the 25K prize. That's pretty sick. And didn't D Money step in then? I think. Yeah, Trader's Life. Yeah, it's a win-win for them, honestly. Yeah, they get the affiliate, YouTube, all that sponsors. Yeah. Damn, price is coming back down here. I want to see how it reacts to this level, this area right here, this 24,735 area. I want to be cautious around there. Maybe it might bounce there, or if it wants to break out lower. Yeah, yeah. Then she like go like crazy on X and stuff. I don't know about all this drama stuff. I try to stay out of it. Zach, right now it's making downward movement. That's why I'm being cautious. Guys, I was dead ass looking for a short right there, but hey, you can't complain. I didn't like the setup, but it's falling short right now. But I want to see how it reacts to this area because this is a little bit of a bounce area, so I want to be a little more cautious. That's why I'm kind of staying cash right now. Turtle soup, yeah. ProjectTrader, yeah, yeah. Some of it's good. We call them chismosas. Spanish. Chismosa way. Yeah, that's why I want to be a little cautious around here. I want to see how it reacts. Talking shit while you're there, posting the tweets. That's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna get some water real quick. Yeah, this is what I was kind of worried about. Kind of like a little bounce area. Kind of coming back up here. It didn't quite tap this area. Came pretty close. DH, thanks for tuning in. Thank you. Same thing like I treat the other accounts, just taking smaller winning plays, trades, base hits, and then if you're in a winning play, trim and then trail your winners. It's definitely more difficult to trade a trailing drawdown, but it's definitely doable. I just gotta play it more smart strategically, locking your gains, trailing your winners, trimming, underweight, in profit, stuff like that. Managing your risk very well on those. Alright, it's coming back down to this bottom area right here. I want to see if it wants to break out more to the downside, because if it does break this, we could see a nice gap down lower. I mean, that's a big move. That's like 200 points to the low. But I want to be cautious of it just forming a range, then just popping right back up here. So that's why I'm staying cash at the moment. Zach, I used to, but then I realized it was kind of dumb because I would force trades and force setups, and then sometimes I would blow my funded account on day one, and I'm like, why did I do that? Like, I just spent over a week trying to get these funded, and now I just blew it on the first day. It's like unacceptable, right? So now I don't. I just take whatever the market gives me. Same thing. Like when I first started these accounts, like I literally just took whatever the market gave me. Like the first day was like a small winning day. Second day was like 700, and then the next day I cleared a buffer and got a payout. So it's like I never had like a focused P&L on that day, on those days. I literally just took what the market gave me and it worked out. So yeah, I stopped focusing on the P&L. It helps a lot, honestly. Yeah, it's okay to take longer, guys. You think so, L7? Yeah, Mixhound, it's so damn annoying. You guys spend like a week. I literally spend like a week on a challenge account and then blow it on day one of funded. I get so pissed off. I'm like, what the heck? It doesn't make sense, right? Like you would spend like a week on a challenge, but it's like you don't want to spend a little time on the funded account, which really matters. That's really what matters is the funded account, because you're not making money on the challenges. So it's like, why should I try and rush the damn funded account? Makes literally no sense. So it's kind of stuff like that. You learn from it. Like I've done some dumb shit with that. Like I blow a funded account day one. I got greedy. Yeah, people get that incentive. See, I realize with this TakeProfitTrader accounts, these are very long-term accounts. You gotta trade them small and trade it very disciplined and precise and manage your risk well. This is not like let me try and get a 10 grand payout on day one and then blow the account. It's not that type of deal with these accounts. That's why I'm learning, and it's good to trade a smaller size. So it's kind of stuff like that. Like these accounts for the long run, guys. Small profit every day, $200. You know, that's $800 after the fees. That adds up. Jasmine, yeah, it is so annoying doing that. I get so pissed. I'm like, why? Yeah, we all have done dumb shit, but guess what? That dumb shit makes us into smarter shits. So like we become smarter and better from it, and we learn from it and move on. So that's what really matters. DH, it depends how you do it. If you like blowing accounts and then going through the challenges again, then buying evals, going through the challenges, it's a lot of headache, man. Honestly, it really is. Going through the challenges again, blowing the accounts, getting them to funded, trying to get them to did pass the buffer again. That whole cycle where this is so much less stressful. Just trading micros, taking it small. Like I haven't. These are my first accounts since the beginning of the year, so this is a one-time investment. They're still alive. I can still take daily payouts. It's so much less stressful, man. It's also your mental, like how stressful it is. Ghost, 2023 I started with options. Then 2024 I started with futures, prop firms. All right, coming right down here, I want to see if it actually wants to break out lower and break out of here, or it's like a bounce area. Yeah, internet, it's very annoying. Yeah, it's like, damn it. That shit hurts. Oh, my bad, DH. My bad. I misread the question. My bad, DH. If you make 10 grand in a day in one account, like per account, you immediately get moved to live. Or if you consistently do good on the TakeProfitTrader, it's up to the risk team to decide if they want to move you to live or not. So it's either those two options with TakeProfitTrader. My bad on misreading that, DH. Yeah, Brian, it's so frustrating. And I'm like, why are you trying to rush to fund an account? It makes no sense. And then, yeah, I started to realize that. It literally makes no sense. Alright, there's a lot of interesting behavior right here. That's why I want to wait for confirmation of where it wants to go. Yeah, Jasmine, see, that day he got lucky. He got lucky. And then they think, oh, I could, if I got lucky again, I could do it again. It's kind of like a gambling mindset. It's not good. Yeah. Where if you took a smart, disciplined, slow approach, who knows? He could have got like at least like a couple grand in payouts by now, instead of blowing all these accounts. All right, new 5-minute here. I'm down to take at least one more trade, but I'm just looking for a setup. Traders for life, yeah. At least you manage your risk, man. That's all what's about, managing your risk. See, if you're a copy trading, imagine you did that on all your accounts. That would have been really bad, right? So I'd rather have that on one account and learn your lesson, and then have the other accounts alive and still going. So, great job on managing your risk, traders for life. Eddie, I have not been there. Yeah, Zach. It looks like it's trying to make its way down. See, it's like staircasing down, lowering down. But it's still trending downward, just like staircasing down. But like I said, that's why I'm being a little cautious, because this is kind of a bounce area. Trying longs. Good luck, Eric. But if this does break, and we see a 5-minute close candle below these levels, this is another, this is 200 points to the low of day. It's kind of forming that downward pattern. That's why I'm like, kind of looking for a short. There you go, Eric. Yeah, tight stop. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to push lower. Nvidia's coming back down. Spies looks like ES's looks like it's trying to come back down. So NQ might follow. Nice, Brian. Zach, not yet. I'm excited. My freaking favorite day is back in biceps and forearms. I love that day. And that's today. Yesterday I did a very nice chest workout. I did like 2 sets of 3 on the bench press. Bro, I'm trying to get back to 225. I used to do 225 for 5 reps. I did it for like a 5x5 before. But I took a long time off the gym, and then I haven't been able to hit 225. I could probably do it for 1 rep right now, honestly, but I could definitely not do it for 5. I usually do it for 5x5. I felt so good after that. But then I was a little bigger too, so I'd rather be a little slimmer. I'm trying to slim down a little bit. Right now I'm like 174, but like last year I was like 185, 190, which was pretty big for me, honestly. That's pretty chunky for me. So right now I'm chilling at like 174 right now. Hey, thank you, Zach. Yeah, 225 felt really good. I used to do it for like 5x5. My max bench PR was like 255. I tried 265, man, and I got it to halfway, and then it just came down. I was like, fuck. It was so close, but I got my all-time bench PR is 255. I felt pretty good after that. But I'm like, if I could just stick to 225, and if I could do 5 reps like that, I mean, that's like 50 pounds of my body weight. I'd be really happy with that. If I could get back to that. Like, same thing, guys, with trading in life. 1 day at a time, improving your goals. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Greatest trades. Nian, 1 trade, 1 loss, $250 loss, 25 point stop loss. Good trade. That's a good schedule, actually. Yeah, I like that you do cardio in the middle of the week, so it gives your time like body to rest a little bit, and like active recovery. I like that. Upper body Mondays and Thursdays. Grizz, do you do like a full body, like upper, like chest, back, and shoulder, like push and pull on Mondays and Thursdays? Because that's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing like push pull legs. Like Mondays and Thursdays, I'll do back, biceps, and forearms. Tuesdays and Fridays, I'll do either a 2-mile run or a leg day, but I try to do 1 each per week. And then Wednesdays and Saturdays, I do chest, shoulders, and triceps. And then Sunday, I'll just like walk or sauna, my rest day. Most of the time, so I either have my rest day on Saturday or Sunday. It depends how sore I'm feeling. But I worked out on Sunday this week, right before church. I felt great, man. I was in church, like pumped up, and I was like, with the caffeine, I was like, dude, this sounds so nice. It was actually a cool experience. Internet? I'm not sure. That's a good question. I have no idea. That's a really good question, Internet. Maybe somewhere on East Coast. Maybe Texas, maybe. Just because it's cheap in the land, and then there's good fishing and hunting and stuff like that. Maybe. Beyond Limits, nice, man. Yeah, get it up. 190, Zach? Nice. That's pretty good, actually, yeah. Very nice, Zach. DGen Trader, yeah, we got the 550Ks. We're still alive. We got 2 payouts this week. Pretty nice. Great job, Brian. Great job, man. L7, yeah. Yeah, we're getting 10,000 steps a day still. So I like walking right after the gym. I'm trying to get 2 walks in a day again, but with my current schedule, it's kind of tough. Like by the time when I wake up, it's really like a full day job now. So this is like my job with the live streams and editing the videos and trading. By the time I go to the gym, it's already like 2-3 p.m. And I'm like, all right, I'm freaking tired. I gotta go exercise, man. Take a shot of espresso. I'm like, woo! Nice, Zach. Yeah, I hit a wall too. Right now I'm at a wall. Right now I'm stuck at like 174, 175, 172 on a good day. I'm like right there stuck at that. I lost like 10, 15 pounds and I've just been stuck here. And I'm like, I really kind of want to get to the 160s. Because when I was 150 in that 150 pound range, I looked pretty jacked. Like I could see my abs and shit. And I looked pretty good. And I was doing like weighted chin-ups. I was literally doing like 70-pound weighted chin-ups at 150. Oh man, I felt like a god. I felt so strong. I felt so good after that. But now I'm like, I can only do body weight chin-ups. Ghost, right now I'm kind of just staying cash because right now it's just moving really slow downward. I still like shorts, but right now it's kind of at a bounce here, so that's why I'm staying cash, Ghost. Right on, Grizz. I like that. Mondays and Thursdays full body. Nice. Yeah, because sometimes because I do the, like yesterday I did chest and push day, and then today I'm doing pull day, so it's like 2 back-to-back hard upper body workouts, so. Alright, new 5-minute right here, 10:30 candle. We have seen a little volatility on this candle. But right now it's kind of right at this bottom area, so that's why I'm still cash. Oh, man. Yeah, 10K steps is nice, guys. It's very nice to get like 10K steps a day. It's pretty nice. And then walking out in nature, and I'm just like in the zone. I'm like brainstorming. There's so much benefits to just walking, not just like physical exercise, but like mentally, cognitive benefits, relieve stress. You get to think, walk it out. Literally just walking, it adds years to your life. There's so many benefits to literally, guys. Literally, just walking. Just walk. Just walk. Don't just get lost. Just walk. No, I like spending time with you guys, Zach. That's why I'm doing these live streams. I like the live streams because trading is very lonely, guys, and I get to talk to you guys, and then I get to live stream 2 hours a day. I like it. We start a community. We all talk, hang out, get better. I document the trades on these accounts, inspire you guys. Yeah, I like spending time with you guys. I don't mind it at all. West Coast, Tony, California. Nice, Brian. See, you can make good money, Brian, with 5 micros. That's why I'm trading right now, 5 micros. Yeah, Zach, you got to eat less. You got to do cardio. It's not really a fun time, honestly. But the results are pretty nice. Damn, internet. Yeah, when you don't, like, work out and you just, like, stagnate, yeah, you can gain some weight real quick. Like, I noticed when I stopped working out for like 2 months, I gained like 5-10 pounds. I'm like, all right, Case, getting a little chunky here. we gotta fix that, Case. Come on now. What the fuck, Brian? That's crazy. I'm sorry to hear that, man. I don't know why it's taking so long. They said they're gonna fix it, bro. I'm sorry. Grizz, yeah, 175 is pretty nice. I like it. I'm trying to get down to the 160s now. 165, see how I feel at that. Because I want to get like a little more leaner. Because right now, I don't want to be like a stocky bodybuilder. I just want to be like a fit like an athlete, like fit, good, healthy, can go on runs without getting tired. That's what I'm trying to do, at least 2-mile run a week minimum. And you feel great after. Oh, Grizz, that last part hit me. Not holding onto the arm bars. It makes it a lot harder when you don't when you're not when you're on the incline part, not walking on the arm bars. Oh man. Do you do like 3.0 speed, Grizz, on the treadmill? Is that what you mean by 3%, like the 3.0? Yeah, Zach. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, all of us like think alike, which I like. That's why it's like the whole cool thing about the community. That's what I like. I wish, yeah, we lived closer. Dude, that'd be sick one day. Maybe do like a trader meetup. Guys, I had 2 guys from Florida. So shout out to you guys. I mean, not Florida, New York. They live in New York, and they both love my channel and watch me since the beginning. And they said, if you ever do a meetup in California, they're both best friends. Like, we'd both be down to fly down there. I'm like, damn, what the heck? They literally fly out here just to meet us for the event if we did one. That's fucking sick. That's dedication. See, this is what it's doing right now. It's like bouncing off here, but then it just like pops right back down. That's why I'm staying cash, because it's super hesitant right here. And I'm like, I literally have no idea where it wants to go. Trending at the moment is down, but then like I said, this is like a bounce area. That's why we're staying cash. Guys, cash is a position. Like, it's just doing funny business right here. And I'm like, if you're uncertain, there's literally no reason to take a trade. Honestly. Only if we see a good setup. Yeah, Grid Trades. I can walk at 3.0 and 3.3 on the treadmill, but flat. I never tried to incline. I'm going to try to incline next time. Yeah, the incline's hard. Oh, the Stairmaster is freaking hard. Oh, man. It's Stairmaster. Especially after leg day. Oh, man. Alright, new 5-minute right here. There you go, internet. Yeah. Hit the gym, man. Go on walks if you can. I bought a freaking treadmill here because I was like staying home a lot. And then I'm like, I'd rather just like, I can like literally read and walk on the treadmill at night, which was pretty nice. But I haven't walked on the treadmill in a while in my house. But at the gym and outside, I like walking in nature. It's pretty nice. Trader, yeah. Yeah, if you trade minis on a trailing drawdown account, it can go by really quick. There you go, Grizz. Damn, Beyond Limits, that'd be freaking sick. Yeah, that's dedication, y'all. Yeah, we have people watching from all around the world. It's pretty cool. It's kind of crazy, honestly. So thank you guys. It means a lot. Brian, I'm in California. Yeah, Stairmasters. Yeah, you definitely feel it. Stairmaster. Especially after, oh man, leg day. Like, you finish the leg workout and then you go on the Stairmaster for like 10 minutes. Man. I'm like, what the heck? Hands on your hips. You're like, oh man. But you feel great after. Nice, internet. Yeah, I like the incline on the hills and stuff. I literally did that yesterday, guys. Yesterday, after the chest workout, it was a nice sunny day here. I literally walked on this little hill, mountain. And it was all nice and sunny, and I was just sunbathing for like 30 minutes. Just chilling, listening, and I was like, dude, this feels nice. The sun is like hitting you after the workout. You just get a nice steep incline. And guys, remember to eat your eggs. It boosts your testosterone levels. I've been eating like 4 or 5 eggs a day now recently. You're like, hey, what's up, man? You been eating eggs and shit? Zach, it's around like 60 degrees. 55, 65 degrees. It's not bad, honestly. It's like sweatshirt weather. Like yesterday, I was literally in shorts and t-shirt. It was a really nice day out yesterday. Today it looks like kind of like same, a little sunny. Yeah, but right now, like at most, I just wear a hoodie. I like sweatshirt weather. What I like about here, it doesn't get too hot or too cold. It's like always right in the middle. It's pretty nice. Yeah, internet. Fuck the microplastics. I stopped drinking the Keurig now. So shout out to Miguel, man. I didn't realize about all those damn microplastics in my coffee. I didn't even think about that. I'm like, huh. See, this is why I like talking to you guys, man. See, we all get better one day at a time. I learn, you learn, we all learn. I'm like, damn, I'm getting microplastics in my damn coffee every morning. I'm like, unreal, unbelievable. I'm in NorCal, Zach. Yeah, we learn something new every day. I like that. See, this is what I'm talking about, guys. There's so much hesitation right here, and it looks like it's trying to make a new low, but then it pops right back up. So I'm like, I have no idea where it wants to go, honestly. Yep, internet, that as well. Yeah, that's actually true. That's smart, internet. Nice, South Carolina, nice, Zach. How's it there? Is it like very green there? Because I've been to Virginia a few times. And it's pretty green. It's pretty nice. I really want to see a move to the downside, honestly. Lots of evergreens. Nice, Zach. That's nice. Meeks, what strategy are you thinking, man? Full moon turtle. Full moon turtle. Alright, we got the microplastic forming right here. We got some microplastics forming to the downside. We can maybe look for smart money to take over this pivot of control. Internet, yeah. Eat eggs, fruit, lift, walk, get some sunshine. Don't do that nasty shit. Grow a beard. Straight Giga Chad. Lots of state parks, nice. That's nice. I gotta find some new hiking spots. There's a lot of hiking spots here. I haven't gone on a hike in a while. I go on fishing hikes a lot. I'll do that all day. I like that, fishing hikes, because you can do hiking and fishing. It's a win-win. Yeah, I think it's downside too. I want to see... Nvidia is going down. ES is going down. Yeah, we can look for a short. Take out one more trade for y'all. Microplastic soup. Prop trader, yeah. There's states like that. But some of the states are literally in like the middle of nowhere. So it's like, it depends. There's some areas that are good, yeah. Because like imagine you make like a couple $100 a day. That goes a long way there. Microplastic soup, y'all. Yeah, we got the plastic turtle forming right here. Plastic turtle. Different from the turtle soup as this is a fake turtle. Fake turtle. Plastic to the downside. Yeah, I'm looking for a short entry still, maybe. We shall see. Teabag trend. That's crazy. Very nice. Yeah, internet. I like that strat. Dude, I was literally watching this dude's video. He's like a popular trader, and he was like, yeah, he was literally mentioning his like entry criteria, and I'm like, what are you talking about? Then, oh, you can learn this in my course. They're like, piss off, buddy. It's slowly downtrending. I mean, this is a 35-point candle. That's a big. It doesn't even look that big. It's literally tiny. That's 35 points. False breakout to the downside.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm looking for a short. Looking for a downward move right here. Want to see it make a new low, break this, continue down lower. That would be nice. That'd be very nice. Very, very nice. Nvidia's going down. SPY is kind of moving down. So we're looking for NQ to follow suit. The overall trend is down at the moment. This will be my last trade of the day. So we'll see what happens, y'all. Going back to our entry. Don't like that. I want to see a reject right now. Continue to follow short. Unicorn entry. I've heard of that one before. Bikini bottom? Yeah, we got a Patrick Star in progress over. 1054, yeah. Alright. 16 points, nice. Want to see a tap down here. That's a nice 30-point move. And then if it breaks that, this is a massive gap, guys. This is literally a massive gap to the downside. This is what we're following. We want to see a nice move down. Nice. $25 points. Let's see a break right here. Let's see a break. Break that shit. Break that shit, homie. Let's go. Go, go. Go. 30 points.
Order filled.
We're going to trim one right there. It's kind of hesitating a bit. We're going to move our stop loss to break even now. So this is a risk-free trade, guys. Risk-free. Risk-free. Or let's see a continuation lower. Like I said, this is a... Oh, it's kind of popping really hard right there. Kind of bouncing there. I don't like that. We'll see just a nice break to the downside. This is a big gap. Big gap. 40 points. Nice, nice. Liking this break. Liking this break. Guys, like I said, this is a massive gap. Look at this. To the low of day is like 160 points away from where we're at right now. That's a massive move. Oh, yes. Nvidia's ripping down, SPY's ripping down, ES. So we should see NQ keep following suit. NQ is still short at the moment. Bearish. There's a lot of hesitation right here, though. A lot of hesitation. Huh. Yes, sir, Zach. Stop loss at break even. And we already trimmed one micro, so this is risk-free now. Alright, liking this break, but we just need to see more momentum. We have a new 5-minute in 5 seconds. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Yeah, Ripsky down, brother. Ripsky down. Pretty good. Not bad, not bad.
Order filled.
I'm gonna trim another just because it's hesitating so much. Stop loss at 10 points in profit now. Nice. So we locked in 2 micros, and we have our stop loss at 10 points in profit. Pretty nice. Yeah, guys, we can get another payout. We got another payout. Let's go if we keep it moving. This is a big gap. This is literally over 150 points. Nice. We're at 55 points in profit. Pretty nice. Yes, sir. Let's go. Come on, NQ. Pain or die. Hey, live stream 2 hours a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. That's funny. It's like, you did all that while I was streaming? That's hilarious. Making a big pullback right here. I don't like that. But we are making lower levels down, which I do like. Yeah, Meeks. Yeah. These are good shorts. Good shorts. NQ, come on, brother. Let's go. Come on. Rip it down. Yeah, Meeks. This is Bikini Bottom right here. This is literally Bikini Bottom. We have Patrick Star, we have SpongeBob, and we have Squidward, and we have Mr. Krabs. If we hit here, we are seeing Bikini Bottom. This is Bikini Bottom right here. You guys see this? This is Bikini Bottom. This is the town, and we're on our way to the town. We gotta go to town. Where's the music? Champions, are you with me, champions? Champions, this is the 100-point line. Let's get the music, guys. Where are you? Where's the song? Let's go, champions. Champions, are you with me, my champions? Are you with me, champions? We're at 65 points, champions. First TP is 100 points. This is the 100-point line, guys. Champions, are you with me? 100 points, my champions. Come on, Bikini Bottom, let's go. Let's go. Yo, let's go, guys. We gotta hype it up, yeah. Alright, guys, we're at 50 points. Let's get this momentum going. We're at the halfway mark, champions. It's okay, we're making a pullback. It's okay. Let's go, champions. This is the 100-point line. This is the 150-point line. Let's go, champions. Come on, let's go. Come on. Turtle soup, let's go. Microplastics for the win. Let's go. New 5 minutes. Smack that downside, NQ. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Bikini Bottom. Here we come. The train is moving. Bikini Bottom. Let's go. Yeah. Oh shit. Bikini Bottom. Can we hit it? Champions, come on, let's go! Yeah. Let's go, champions! Yeah, come on! We're at 55 points. Alright, we're at 60 points, champions. Champions, we are not far away. We are very close. We're past the halfway mark. Let's go, champions. Nvidia's going down, ES is going down, NQ has to go down. Let's go, champions. This is a beat drop. Let's go, champions. Come on. 60 points. Let's go. Come on. NQ, smack that. 100 points. Let's go. Oh, yes. Yeah. Come on, champions. Woo. Come on, we eating today, champions. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Thank you, smack the downside. Wow, yeah. Guys, if we hit the Bikini Bottom, this will be our biggest trade on stream. Oh no, we're making a pullback, guys. No. Champions, we're making a pullback. It's okay. It's okay. We're still in this fight. We're still in this fight. We have a new 4-hour candle in 3 minutes. We need to see a rejection right now. Wow, guys. That shit goes hard. Oh my gosh, champions. No, champions, we're making a pullback. That's a big pullback. Oh man, we need to see rejection right now. Yeah, NQ, go back down, go back down. Bikini Bottom, let's go. This is your home, NQ, right here. We must smack that downside. No. Smack that downside NQ. The trend is still short. We are still bearish. We are still in this, champions. We're at 35 points. We're at 35 points. Alright, we're at 40 points now. It's okay, we just need a little pullback. You can't go straight down. Reject off here, move back down to the downside. Let's go, champions. Round 2. Take out Turtle 2. Let's go. Come on, reject, reject. No, champion. No, that was close. Alright, we have a new 4 hour and 30 seconds. Need to see a big rejection. Go down, go down! Oh my gosh, champions, just tapped our stop loss. We gotta go back down. It literally tapped it. We have a new 4 hour and 5 seconds. We need to see a hard rejection. Hard rejection. Reject, reject. You gotta go down. Yeah, 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 that's what we wanna see. Go down. Oh no. Come on, champion, let's go! To the downside, come on! New 4 hours to the down! Champions, you gotta see a big rejection right here. We're still in this fight. Never give up. Never give up. It's a massive dump, NQ. Let's go. Bikini bottom. The music was crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh no, champions. Wow. Guys, it is playing games with our stop loss right now. Reject. You gotta go down now, NQ. Come on. Do it for the stream. Do it for the stream, NQ. Oh my gosh, champions. Champions, we are still in this. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? This is all live. You guys are seeing this live. It literally rejected off our stop loss twice. This one, it tapped right off of it. Hold the line, soldiers. Hold the line. Never give up. Make your dreams become a reality. Come on, let's go. Hold the line. This is the line, guys. We gotta hold it. We gotta go down lower. Oh man, champions, round 3 champions. Oh man, guys, what a trade! What a trade! Oh my god, dude, we are getting mixed emotions with this trade. Oh no! Thank you, just smacked the downside, brother. What a roller coaster, guys. Bunch of mixed emotions in this trade. We were like, yeah, no, yeah. Okay, NQ, come on. Third time is a charm, NQ. Third time is a charm. Third time. Wow. Oh my god, thank you. Just go down, man. Y'all playing games with us, thank you. Thank you. No, don't do it. Don't do it. No. No. Hold the line, soldiers. Hold the line. Hold the line. No.
Stop filled.
Oh my gosh, champions. Champions. Wow. Champions, we lost the battle, but not the war. Wow, champions. Wow. What a roller coaster of emotions. Wow, guys. Champions, we were at like what? 60 points? And then it came back, almost tapped the stop loss twice. And then rejected hard. And we're like, oh my gosh, we're still in this. Then it came back up, man. Wow. Hold the line, champions. It's okay, champions. We lost the battle, but not the war. Oh my gosh, that was a roller coaster of emotions. We were like, yeah, no, yeah. Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. Oh my god. Champions. Well, good thing we had our stop loss at 10 points in profit, guys. We would have got stopped out. Wow. Wow. Damn. Guys, we're only down $60 on a day. Should we take one more trade and absolutely call it? Because it's only $60. I mean, I'm down to stay a little longer. Because, well, at here, we had a small payout locked in, like 150, 180 locked in. So, like I said, we can make it back on one trade. One more trade. One more trade. One more trade. Well, because we're basically break even on the day. Like, we're only down $60. We can literally make that in one move. And if we make a profit, we got a payout. One more trade. One more trade. Okay, guys, we'll do one more trade. Because worst case, we take a loss, we're automatically done. And if we take a win, we're automatically done. Yeah, I can stay a little longer for y'all. That was intense. My adrenaline was going crazy right here. Yeah, it looks like it's making a reversal here now. Crazy. So good thing we had our stop loss and profit. But champions, that was one heck of a ride. We had to hold the line like crazy. Hey guys, this is going to be our third trade of the day. Third time is a charm. We could still get a payout today. We could still get a payout. The war is not over. We lost the battle last trade, but not the war. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it looks like it's making a big reversal now. Kind of just eat it up right here. Yeah, we just need this to be a really good trade, really good setup, and same thing, manage our risk well. But yeah, guys, that was quite an intense roller coaster. Oh, long from the 20s internet Dale. That's a good trick. That was a good entry right here. Yeah. Guys, we just need one more good trade and we got a payout. One more good trade. This is like encore. This is encore for you guys. It's like a concert. One more trade. One more trade. They're all like, one more song. One more song. Tonight will be the night I die for you. Is this the end? Oh, demo account. Lisa, no, I don't have a demo account. I just have propfirms. Yeah, we got the lighters in the air. We're like, yeah. But that was quite a roller coaster, guys. This is looking, forming a good long, kind of. Oh my gosh.
Order filled.
All right, we're taking a long, boys. Last trade. Last trade. Making a reversal. Looking for a continuation long. Come on, guys. Come on, champions. Let's go. Push up to the highs, champions. Let's go. Reversal City. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. This could be our last trade of the day. Third time is a charm. Third time's a charm, guys. This is setting up for a nice long push reversal. We had a massive dump. We had a massive dump this morning. Massive recovery. And now a massive dump. And it looks like it's making a massive recovery. Go. Go. Champions. Round 3 champions. Let's go, champions. Come on. We got this. Let's go. Come on, champions. Come on, champions.
Order filled.
Trim one right there. We got locked in some gains. Champions, come on. We're gonna move our stop down here. Almost break even, champions. Come back down here. Champions, we have a payout locked in right now. Should we just exit? Round 3 champions, let's go. Yeah. Champions, let's go. New 5 minute. Go long, go long. Go long. Champions. Ah. Oh my gosh. Am I being greedy? Fuck.
Order filled.
Fuck it. Hell no. Guys, who cares? $150. We got $150. Let's go. Come on. I don't care. I don't care. Payout is a payout. I'm not gonna get greedy. Oh, man. Guys, let's go, champions. We got a freaking payout locked in. Alright. Nice. Nice. So the fact that we were down on the day to now break even to now getting a payout, I'm gonna take it, guys. Guys, 151 times 5 times 0.8. Guys, we have a $600 payout. Look at that. That's $600. Yeah, we're taking that, guys. Look at that. One last trade, $600 profit. Guys, champions, we made $600 profit on that trade. Look at that. I don't care if it keeps ripping. Who cares? We're not going to get greedy. $600 is $600. Let's take it. That's, guys, 3 for 3 payouts on the week. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and today, we got payouts locked in. Let's freaking go. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, $600, guys. That's good money right there. I mean, $600 in a day. Yeah, I'm not going to be greedy. I'm not going to be greedy. I can't let the greed take me. And, dude, that was okay, guys. We got stopped out on a trade. I don't know where it was. We took a long to the upside. But then we took a nice short right here. At our peak, we're up 60 points. Wow, guys, look at that move. Nah, we're not getting greedy. We're not getting greedy. We're not getting greedy. We're not getting greedy. Fuck. Dude, that was a 60 point. Nah, we can't think about that. We can't think about that, guys. We can't think about that. We can't think about that. We're down on the day, guys. We're down on the day, and now that we got a payout locked in again, I'm gonna take it. We can't be greedy. $600 is $600. Wow. Dude, imagine I held. Oh my gosh. Nah. But yeah, we had a roller coaster of emotions right here. We had such massive emotions champions, but champions, we made a big comeback. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Wait. Dude, that's a 90-point move. Oh, let's fucking go. We can't let the FOMO get to us, guys. We can't let the FOMO get to us. We got a 600... We got to be happy on that. Thank God. Hey, thank you, God. We got a damn $600 payout locked in. And, guys, we made a huge comeback. And we did the encore one more trade. It was worth the trade, honestly, because if we take a loss, it's already we're down on the day. But look at that. We got a payout locked in. I'm happy. Yeah. I was like in the trade. I saw it like making a little pullback, and I was like, nah, I'm not going to get greedy. And we're not going to get greedy. We're going to lock it in. Let's fucking go, guys. So, guys, this week, we got a $700 payout on Tuesday. We got a $1,066 payout yesterday. And now we're getting a $600 payout today. I mean, yeah, lock it in. That's a great week. And we still have tomorrow to trade. If we make a profit, knock on wood, we get another payout. $600, that's good money, guys. We can't be greedy. The fact that we were down on the day, is a big swing to now getting a payout. So I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, that's a damn good day, guys. Fuck it. $600 after the fees. Yeah, 2K a week. That's not bad. Yeah, guys, we were getting so freaking hyped right here. That was such a fun trade. We're like, champions, no, hold the line. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is a good week, man. Honestly, fuck it. Craig, yeah, that was on our second trade. We had such a roller coaster of emotions, Craig. Yeah, and Josh, last week was crazy bad. So the fact that we got 3 payouts this week is pretty good. Thank you, nice. Thank you, nice. Yeah, Zach, it's crazy with the thing with the potential with propfirms, man. It's crazy. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yeah, I love these live streams, man. It's pretty awesome. It's fun. But look at this downside move. We took a nice short right here, and then look at this huge reversal. Dude, that's a 130-point reversal right there. 140, yeah. 150. Yeah, last week was really rough, guys. A lot of fake outs, a lot of false breakouts, a lot of reversals, a lot of wicks. And we managed our risk very well last week. I'm pretty happy with how we managed it. We ended the week down like $490. I'm not even tripping because like I said, guys, on the bad weeks, you just got to manage your risk and learn to slow down. And on the good weeks, you got to capitalize on it. Oh, yeah, Meeks, yeah. Yeah, it happens. You get stopped down and then runs like huge in your favor, and you're just like, oh my gosh. Yeah. Yeah, today was pretty tough for a lot of people. People were saying. But yeah, we had kind of like tricky price action. We had a nice move to the downside, but then it formed this big range. Then a massive reversal, and then, guys, do not be fooled. These are big candles. Like, from here, 63. I mean, this is almost a 50-point candle. This little one right here. This one right here is almost 50 points. That's pretty big. So yeah, guys. So pretty damn good stream, honestly. Great week. We got another $600 payout after the fees. So it's like $750, and then after the fees, the 20% cut, we get like $600. Pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Damn, FL, what the fuck? FL, which one are you using? We have a $600 one today. We got a 696 on one more trade, guys. No, we can't. We can't. Plus 696 plus. We got $2,362 in payouts this week. Not bad. And guys, we have tomorrow still. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. We still have one more day tomorrow. And if we make a profit again tomorrow, that's another payout. Yeah, it's a trap, guys. Don't do it. Don't listen to the voices in your head. We cannot take one more trade. Champions, we are done for no war. Guys, champions, we lost a battle, and we got the win back and a payout. We won. We're done. One more trade. Guys, it always starts with that. Just one more trade. Just one. It's like when I'm fishing. All right, just one more cast. One more cast. It's a win, guys. We won. We won. Yeah. Guys, look about it. This is locked in $600. All I have to do is stop. Think about it. Hey, someone is handing you $600 cash right now. $600 cash. Are you going to take it, or are you going to try and double it and risk more? That $600 cash is in your hand right now, in your pocket, in your wallet. That's 6 Benjamins. That's good money. Yeah, we're done. We're done. I'm taking that money. I'm out. And guys, like I said, we can make a profit tomorrow and take another payout. That is the plan. Hell yeah, brother. Gonna get me some nice steak and eggs tonight at the diner. Yeah. Gonna go to the diner, get some nice steak and eggs. Yeah. Thank you, brother. Yeah. Guys, that's 6 $100 bills. That is 600 $1 bills. That is 30 $20 bills. That is 60 $10 bills, guys. 60. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Benjamin is proud. Guys, we are 6 Benjamins richer than we started this morning. Think about it. We're done. It does feel good, yeah. 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 Thank you, Georgina. Thank you. That's 2,400 quarters. You know how much I can do with 2,400 quarters? That is, guys, that is 6 ProfFirm accounts. I could buy 6 50K challenges risk-free and then try and run those up. Think about it. $600? That is a full month worth of food for me and my girlfriend, and we can go out like 1 or 2 times to a restaurant. We have a month worth of food today. We just made in 2 hours, guys. In 2 hours time, we made a month's worth of food. Think about it. That is 6,000 dimes. That is 60,000 pennies, guys. You know what we could do with 60,000 pennies? Bro, people are like, you don't, can you say thousand? 1,000? I can't say that shit. 60,000 pennies, guys. You know what I can do with 330 pounds of pennies? I don't know. It'll probably just sit in the corner, but still, I would like those pennies. Yeah. Guys, do you know how many times I said one more trade when I had a payout locked in, and I took that one trade and I ended up down on the day and losing that payout? You know how tilting that is? Oh man, I'd be pissed. Alright guys, we'll end the stream in 11:25. Awesome freaking stream. This was a great freaking stream, y'all. Great week. Great freaking week. We're at $2,362 in payouts this week, and you guys saw it all live. Every single trade was live. Yep. I'm gonna take those I'm gonna take that 60,000 pennies and call it a day. Later, Rich. Thank you for tuning in, brother. As always, I'll see you later. Have a good day. Craig, I start at 9 a.m. PST. 9 a.m. PST every day, Monday through Friday. Yeah, thanks for Craig for joining in. Peter, yeah, 100%. See, I'm glad that these streams are helping you guys be more disciplined because, yeah, there was numerous times in 2024 I had like a 2-3 grand payout locked in with TakeProfitTrader, and I said one more trade because I see a good setup, and I ended up losing. Then I go on tilt, and then I lose it, and then I end up red on the day. And if you think about it, you had a payout lock in, and then you're red on the day. That's a massive swing in the wrong direction, because now you got to make up those losses. And you got to make profit again to request that payout. Because if you make that tomorrow, that loss, that would have been pure profit that you could take out in the payout. Think about it. That's a lot of money. Those are big swings, actually. Like, if I ended up down on the day $500, I would have to make $500 to be break even. And then if I made that yesterday, that would have been a 2 grand payout plus my payout today. Massive, massive difference. Yes, sir. Thank you, guys. Full pork Fridays. Yeah, Meeks, we're getting barbecue tomorrow. If we get a payout, we got to get barbecue and lock it in. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Imagine we caught this 100-point trade with 5 micros. Dude, that would have been a lot of pennies. Thank you, Zach. Thank you, guys. Alright, guys. I appreciate y'all for watching. Amazing freaking stream. We had the champion song. We took a first loss. All good. We stayed patient, disciplined. Caught a nice short. The champions were going crazy. We had such a roller coaster of emotions. We took one more trade, and we got a payout locked in. So, let's freaking go. We got $600 end of the day. I'm going to take it. So, appreciate y'all. As always, I'll see you guys 9 a.m. PST tomorrow morning. Let's go. Appreciate y'all as always. And yeah, so have a good one, guys. Appreciate y'all as always. Make sure to like and subscribe and join our Discord down below, free community. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. Let's go.